Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I am going to tell you how to force quit application in your Mac. For some reason, if the application stops responding and even after selecting quit option, you are not able to quit it, then you need to force quit it. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, first of all, let me tell you the basic method to quit the app. In order to quit any particular application, all you have to do is just simply select app name on the menu bar and then select quit option, or else you can use keyboard shortcut, which is Command plus Q. So if I press Command plus Q on keyboard, I can quit that app. But for some reason, if you are not able to quit the application, if the application is not responding, and even after selecting the app name and selecting quit option, if you're not able to quit it, then in that case, you need to use force quit option. How to do that? So the process is simple. You can just simply select Apple logo on the menu bar and then select force quit option over here. After selecting force quit, you will get a window like this and you will be able to see all the applications over here which are running in the background. Now, how to find out which applications are running in the background? You can simply go to dock, and if you see a dot like indicator below the app name, then it means those applications are running in the background. Now, in my case, suppose if Safari is not working, all I'm going to do is I'm going to select Safari over here. And once I select Safari, you will get a force quit option like this. You can tap on force quit. Again, you will get a window like this. And this time, if you select force quit, you can easily quit that application. So this is one way of doing it. Another way is, if you're not able to select Apple logo like this and then go to force quit option, then you can use keyboard shortcut, which is if you press Command option and escape, you can directly go to force quit applications window. Once you open this window, if you want to close all the application at once, or if you want to force quit all the applications in one go, then after opening this window, you can press Command plus A to select all the applications, and then you can select force quit. And again, if you tap on force quit, it will just quit the applications directly. So this is how simple it is to force quit application in your Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.